The 2025 Mahindra XUV 3XO is more than just a feature-packed SUV, it's a design statement. And now, it's available in 5 bold dual-tone color combinations that elevate its personality on every road. First up, Galaxy Grey with a black roof. This one's for the understated achiever. It's modern, versatile, and fits seamlessly into both work and weekend life. The dark roof adds just the right amount of contrast, giving it a sleek, premium vibe. Next, Stealth Black with a grey roof. If power and presence matter to you, this one delivers. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it doesn't try too hard. Just know black looks stunning when clean, but it does need a little extra care. Tango Red with a black roof brings the energy. This color combo is for the expressive, the extrovert, the one who wants to turn heads wherever they go. It's sporty, young, and full of personality. Nebula Blue with a grey roof is calm, confident, and modern. It stands out without screaming for attention. It's a great pick for families and professionals alike who want something fresh yet classy. And finally, Everest White with a black roof. It's timeless, elegant, and probably the most practical of them all. White keeps things cool, clean, and high on resale value. That black roof just takes it to a whole new level. So there you have it, 5 carefully chosen dual-tone colors, each with a personality of its own. Whether you're into sporty reds, stealthy blacks, or classic whites, there's a 3XO that fits your vibe.